Assalamu alaikum. In this problem, we are given an array. We need to print the smallest possible case as that it satisfies the following condition. For every k consecutive elements, their bitwise or should be the same. That means if I have an array of n size, let's say I am taking this portion. It is a1 till ak. Another portion will be a2 till a k plus 1. Another portion will be a3 till a k plus 2 and so on. So the bitwise or of these elements should be equal to the bitwise or of these elements, and it should be equal to the bitwise or of these elements. So every k consecutive elements, the bitwise or should be the same. Okay. So how can we do this? If we consider every bit, uh, if we consider every bit, then the solution is much easier. Let's say we are trying this test case. So here the value of n equals 8, and the elements are, first one is 0, then 1, then 3, then 2, then 2, then 1, then 0, then 3. Okay, this is the binary representation of this array. Okay, now in for this bit, we can see that there are four ones. If there are any one, let's say there are only one, so whatever k we take, if we start something from this and take k elements, the bitwise or will be 1, will contribute 1 for this. So uh, in all other segments where we take k elements, there also should be at least one. If k is 3, we cannot satisfy this condition, because we may take k equals 3 from here, uh, but if we try to take three elements from here, the or will be 1, but here the or will be 0. So we must consider uh, the fact of in which positions the 1 is. Okay. So in this case, we can see that if we try to take, okay, we are uh, trying to see only this bit. Okay, so if we try to take for k equals 3, then we can see that for every segment we will get or equals 1. But if we try to take k equals 2, then this portion is 1, but this portion will be 0. Okay, so the easy way of finding it is, uh, as here is a 1 and here is the next one, and the gap is 3. So we can take the minimum, k equals 3. What if the gap here is 4? The gap here is 3, but here the gap is, okay, here the gap is 5 actually. Then the k will be the maximum among them. It will be 5. Okay, so maybe we got for this bit k equals uh, the gap, the maximum gap, let's say the maximum gap equals 3, and for this bit the maximum gap of 1 equals 2. Okay, for some bit of here the maximum gap may be 9, then the answer will be 9. So the minimum possible k will be 9. Okay, so this is the solution. We need to check every bit individually. Okay, if we see the code, first of all the test case is taken, then the size of the array, and then as we are taking the maximum difference for each individual bits. So here is an array named mx maximum, and a pre means, let's say we are now in checking this position. So the pre will be this position. It is pre means the previous one in which position. Okay, now we check each individual bits and store maximum in this array, maximum difference actually. Okay, then for each bit, for all bits we check what is the maximum difference among all these bits. Okay, and this maximum difference is stored in answer, and finally we print the answer. Okay, thank you.